Click on the link below to get price. The Quick-Install Prefab Plunge Pool is a game-changer for anyone looking to enjoy the luxury of a swimming pool without the hassle of traditional installation. Available in 10 feet and 20-foot options, this modular container pool is designed for easy setup and immediate enjoyment, making it an exceptional choice for both seasoned pool owners and first-timers. One of the standout features of this plunge pool is its innovative quick-install design. Unlike conventional pools that can take weeks or even months to install, this prefab option can be set up in a matter of hours. The arrival of the pool as a complete unit means that you only need to plug it in, fill it with water, and you're ready to dive in. This efficiency eliminates the usual stress associated with pool installation, making it an attractive choice for busy families or individuals. The design of the plunge pool is sleek and modern, seamlessly fitting into a variety of outdoor spaces. Its compact size makes it perfect for smaller backyards, while the 20-foot option provides ample space for entertaining or relaxing with friends and family. The pool is also built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and minimal maintenance over time. Another significant advantage is the energy efficiency of the pool. It comes equipped with a smart filtration system that not only keeps the water clean but also conserves electricity. This eco-friendly feature is a huge plus for environmentally conscious buyers. Safety is also a priority with this plunge pool, featuring smooth edges and a non-slip surface, making it suitable for children and pets. Overall, the Quick-Install Prefab Plunge Pool is an excellent investment for those seeking a stylish, functional, and low-maintenance water feature. Its quick setup, quality materials, and thoughtful design make it a must-have for any outdoor oasis, allowing you to enjoy summer days in style and comfort.